Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment, install Imba Auto Clicker and run it as administrator so it can control inputs reliably. Once done, grant any required permissions and temporarily disable aggressive antivirus alerts because false positives can block the process. Next, choose your target, a specific window, fixed coordinates, or cursor follow mode, and set a conservative click interval to test responsiveness. This prevents accidental high-frequency clicks and gives you a safe baseline to refine. You now configure how it clicks and why those options matter. Choose left, right, or double-click and build any custom sequence if a task needs multiple actions. This mirrors manual workflows. Then set the interval in milliseconds and add small randomization to avoid detection and to look natural. Make a short loop with a hotkey, run a 10-second test, and observe. If behavior matches expectations, save the profile. This prevents reconfiguring every time. You finish by executing a full session with your saved profile while monitoring CPU and the target app focus. Make sure clicks land where intended. If clicks misfire, recalibrate coordinates, slow the interval, or add micro-delays between sequence steps. These changes often solve timing races. If nothing works, regrant permissions, restart Imba or the target app, and update the tool. One troubleshooting tip: always run a short validation test after changes so you catch issues before a long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.